Oh my god, this is physically painful. We are testing out the Meredith makeup technique routine. We were doing Meredith's foundation routine. I'm so nervous because two things I hate. Actually touching makeup with my hands. I hate the texture of makeup and like foundation and even primer. Like, I just hate feeling it on my hands. And number two, wearing a lot of foundation. I hate wearing foundation, especially a lot of it. So let's give this a try. I'm like really nervous right now. I'm trying to decide if I want to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop or the Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever. I think I'm gonna use Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever because it's like a lightweight foundation and Shorty does a lot of pump. So let's get started. Oh my god, where does she pump it at? Hold on, wait. Let me watch her video.
You do, but it's been an amazing trip ever.
So
tonight is the gold party,
the back of her
this
hand.
is gold goddess vibes. I'm so sad that I leave. Tonight is the gold party, so this is gold goddess vibes. I'm so sad that I leave tomorrow night, but it's been an amazing trip.
Okay, let's pump this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you even see that? Oh my gosh. Okay, okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. And then she takes like the back of her foundation brush and like spreads it out on her face. And we're gonna do that because that's okay to do. And we're okay, Raven. It's just foundation. Everything's okay. And one thing I never do is put foundation on my head too, because my head's like really oily. And I get really sweaty. Okay, and then what does she do with the excess? Does she just keep putting it on? You know what? Mentally? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. And then she just rubs it in, right? Hold on. Okay, wait.
Did you do? I 100%.
Okay, yeah, she just rubbed it in with her hands.
Sure what's going on with this.
Oh, she put it on her nose. I'll be on my nose.
Dubai, comment down below. And where did you go? What did you do? I 100% want to come back here.
Let me see. Do I have me on my nose? Okay. And then she just rubs it in. Okay, I have a washcloth on standby. Okay, and then she just takes her hands and just rubs it. Oh my god, this is physically painful. Am I on the spectrum? It's just like I have a thing about texture. Like texture, like I hate feeling things with my hands. It really grosses me out. But I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Yeah, yeah. And some of these, and some of these, and almost done. I have no idea what I look like. I probably look crazy. Okay, wipe my hands off. Wipe my hands off. Cause I have to look and see how does she blend this in. I feel like I have so much on my face. My face feels really heavy. Let me see how she blends this in. Okay, here it is with just using. Here it is with just using my hands. Let me see how she blends it. Foundation all over my hands. Ew, 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 ew. Okay, so she blends it out with a little makeup sponge, and these soak up so much product. Thank God. I'm gonna test out this new one from Allipop. Ciao. Look at this thing. Yeah. I'm blending out the rest with my foundation brush because ciao. I just looked at myself in my bathroom mirror because I needed to wash my hands. I look crazy. Okay, so I'm using these two concealers from Best Skin Ever. From Sephora Collection, this Best Skin Ever concealer. that she does is contour. I'm not really a contour girly pop. One sec. I think I might have. Okay, so I do have some contour, a contour color. The color could be darker, but you know what? What we gotta do. We gotta do what we gotta do. A little angle brush from Sephora. Okay, so far I feel like it looks decent. Hold on, focus on me, baby. Like, it looks decent so far, but let's add some blush, child. Oh. Oh, that's bright. Oh, shit. Okay, not this brush. Child, I had to get rid of that Wet n Wild's brush and grab this liquid blush brush from Rare Beauty. This is the Lottie Sweet Blush. It's very sheer. Okay, here's the foundation. Alexa, pause. Okay, here's the base. Let's finish the face.
I need your time. Everything's wrong. Make it right. I feel so high. I come alive. I need to be free with you.
I'm sorry, I'm so Alexa, pause. Okay, so here's the final look. I feel like in the sunlight it looks amazing because the sunlight is the best filter. It smooths out everything. It makes you look perfect, but I don't know. Maybe I didn't do it correctly. It looks fabulous on her, but that was a technique. Let me know your thoughts down below.